Bipin Chandra 𝗨. Known as 𝗨 in the history of India's freedom movement, Bipin Chandra 𝗨 was a great leader, social reformer, and a guiding force behind the 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧 movement. Bipin Chandra 𝗨 was born on November 7, 1858 in Habiganj, Sylhet district in present-day Bangladesh to Ramchandra 𝗨 and Narayani Devi. Education and political life. Bipin Chandra 𝗨 completed his education in Calcutta. Inspired by patriotism from an early age, he began participating in India's freedom movement. In 1886, he joined the Indian National Congress and started his political career. He worked tirelessly for the establishment of Swaraj without any association with British rule. He played a prominent role in the 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧 movement, encouraging the use of indigenous products and calling for the boycott of foreign goods. He also played a key role in creating awareness and awakening nationalist spirit among the people. Social reforms. Bipin Chandra 𝗨 strongly opposed the caste system and social barriers. He criticized superstitions and orthodox practices in society and promoted women's education. He played an important role in supporting women's rights and worked toward establishing equality in society. Journalism and writings. Bipin Chandra 𝗨 was a talented writer, speaker, and journalist. He founded a journal called Paridarshak and also served as assistant editor for newspapers such as the Bengali Public Opinion and the Tribune. Publications like Bande Mataram, New India, and Swaraj stand as examples of his literary and journalistic excellence. Literature. Bipin Chandra 𝗨 authored several books on India's freedom movement, Indian culture, and spirituality. His work, Memories of My Life and Times, became especially well known. Death and legacy. Bipin Chandra 𝗨 passed away on May 20th, 1932 in Calcutta. His inspiring speeches, social service, and efforts to instill patriotism among the people were immense. Regarded as a father figure of the extremist ideology in India's national movement, Bipin Chandra 𝗨 remains an immortal leader in the history of India's freedom struggle.